Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this quick and simple text video inside text in CapCut PC. So grab this black background, go to text and add in your default text. Just type anything you want here. Just going to type in hello, and I'm also going to change the font, resize it, right click, create compound clip. Now you're going to add in another media, and I am going to actually select a canvas like this one, and then I'm going to move the white background down. So then I'm going to select this layer, and I'm going to then choose the darken blend mode. And to change the background, I can just go back to the white background and choose more backgrounds that I want. Maybe that one was a little bit too plain, so I'm just going to choose something that isn't as plain as that one, maybe like this one even. And that's basically it really. You can also do this on like an animated text. Let me just show you real quick, like a wavy text. So here, before you create compound clip, just go to animation, select loop, and select like the wobble one or the wave one here. This one is favorite, and then create compound clip, and then you can do the same thing all over again. So select the overlay, choose darken, select the white background and put it down, and select a canvas. Which is I want the bottom one, which is here. And that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!